Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here a source 90 volts is given here. So for these 90 volts, two resistors are in parallel connected in series with source and again in series with 4 kilo ohm resistor. Now asking that how can you find voltage V1 and voltage V2 and resistor R. So where I0 is given as 15 milliamperes. So let's observe carefully here. It's based upon simple logic, very easy problem. So here these two resistors are in parallel. Now we can replace this. Here source is there, that is 90 volts. Replace this with single resistor. This is the 4 kilo resistor. So just for the analysis purpose. So here the current I0 was entering here. That means in this circuit, in this resistor the current is I0. In the resistor the current is I0. So according to Ohm's law we know that V equal to IR. So from this we can get voltage V2. That is V2 equal to, so what is the resistance here? 4 kilo ohms. So in that resistor the current is I0 only. Okay. So I0 is given as 15 milliamperes. 15 milliamperes. So from this we will get voltage V2 equal to 60 volts. Now observe carefully here in the given problem. So here V1 we want. So these two components are in parallel. In parallel voltages are same. That is here also V1 is there. That means overall these resistors having voltage V1. So in the loop the sum of all voltages drops equal to source voltage. That is source voltage is 90 volts. That is equal to sum of all voltage drops. That is V1 plus V2. So V1 we want, V2 we got 60 volts. That is 60 plus V1, that's equal to 90. So from this V1 equal to 90 minus 60, that's equal to 30. So this is the V1 voltage. Now we got V1 and V2. Now you want resistance R. How can you find it? In this circuit, we know the voltage across resistors R, but we want resistance value. If you know current in this resistor, we can easily find resistance R value by using Ohm's law. Voltage is same. So whatever even we got, that is the voltage across R. That is 30 volts also is there at resistance R. If you know the current in the resistance R, then we can easily find resistance R value. So by applying the current division formula, that is current IR. So in this circuit, this is the current was entering and dividing IR and this I2. Suppose I1 and I2. Okay. So IR equal to the opposite resistance, that is 3 by 3K plus R into I0. It gives current in resistance R. Now here how can you find IR value and R value here? So let's take a small look here. So in this the voltage is V1, that is equal to IR into R. So from this IR we will get V1 by R. So V1 we got how much? 30. So IR equal to 30 by R. This is equation 2 and this is equation 1. So this is IR value, this is also IR value. So both are equal. Now equate it. So from this we'll get 30 by R equal to 3K by 3K plus R into I0. So I0 was given as 15 milliamperes. So here only one variable is there. Only R variable is there. So this is the value, this is the value, this is the value, this is the value. Only one variable is there, R. So by simplifying this, we will get R value, that is R equal to 90 by 15. So from this we'll get R equal to 6 kilo ohms. So V2 we got 60 volts and V1 we got 30 volts and R we got 6 kilo ohms. So these are the three required values for the given problem. And this is a process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.